Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Coming to you live from Koh Phangan. You see that view right there? Means we're about to go snorkeling. Low tide, coral reef rocks everywhere, crystal clear blue waters with dark blue waters surrounding. We're going. All right, folks, we are getting ready to go jump in the ocean and go snorkeling around this big coral. I could probably show you this coral with the drone as well. Go ahead and insert that into the video so that everybody can see the aerial view of what you're about to snorkel. All right, we're about halfway to the reef. You got to go through a lot. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, today's a great day to go snorkeling in Salad Buri Beach at the Coral. What do you say? All right, well, that's gonna be it for this one. We're gonna call today's episode the Salad Buri Beach Snorkel, Coral Snorkel. And what an amazing adventure. There is a bunch of sea urchins, the spiky ones, okay? Be careful. And then there's a bunch of poop of the sea, which is these big silver turds. Don't step on those. Other than that, you're gonna have a great swim, great fish, great exercise. Just have a great day.